Hello everyone. Let's understand about WizLearner AI, your personalized learning assistant for all courses. When you're taking any course and are getting stuck, you can ask this assistant any query and get easy to understand explanations seamlessly. For example, this learner here has a query on the total momentum of a closed system. You can also share feedback and regenerate the response if it is not up to standard and copy the response. Text to speech and voice mode help with assisted learning. It can also suggest further prompts to deep dive into the topic. And if you need any adaptation on the course, for example, this learner wants to use Python to analyze marketing data and is taking a Python course and has certain schedule constraints. Here, the assistant has helped break down the course and created a personalized learning plan according to the learner requirements. This makes the learning more efficient. It can create personalized user profiles and adapt to a range of neurodiverse conditions as well as other learner needs. It becomes your trusted buddy in your learning journey. It can generate notes on the current topic, on the current module, or the entire course, or summarize conversations and help you export them to PDFs. It can provide personalized feedback with an in depth analysis of your strengths and weaknesses based on the course performance so far, and also provide recommendations on what to do next. You can take adaptive assessments to understand where you stand. Let's understand the learning approach a little bit here. For example, if the query is what are different sorting algorithms, instead of directly giving an essay answer on different sorting algorithms, here the assistant is taking a Socratic approach and questioning the learner to adapt critical thinking with relevant analogies. This makes the learning engaging and relatable. And finally, an interesting point, if I want to know about the best Bollywood actor, this is a very helpful assistant nudging me to pursue my learning goals and keep the conversations and queries restricted to academic and learning related topics. Thank you so much.